Good morning, Peters Canyon Trailblazers. Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your Monday off for President's Day. I'd like to get us started this morning with congratulating our grant winners. Tustin Public School Foundation gives out multiple grants every year, and we have quite a few winners. So congratulations first off to Mrs. Quebman and Mrs. Silberman. Great job. Next, huge congratulations to Miss Owen, Mrs. Shaddles, and Mrs. Cope wrote a grant for all of the music teachers. So congratulations and way to go. Mrs. Hong's class has been up to their eyeballs in science. They've been doing all kinds of science experiments. Here we have a picture from last week's experiment. And this is the week before. They've been working with plants. Great job, Mrs. Hong's class. Last week was also buzzing with all kinds of Valentine's Day fun. And third grade had a fun contest. Here are some of the cute ones that I saw that were just darling. It was so fun to see all your creativity that you brought to school with you. And down in the kindergarten wing, we also had some big buddy fun. This is a picture of Mrs. Q's class with their big buddies doing a chocolate box challenge. And now for Mindful Monday. I'd like everyone to sit back in their chair. Hold up one finger. We're going to practice our candle breath. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Enough to sway your flame, but not blow out your candle. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. And one more time, breathe in. And breathe out. This time, you can blow out your candle. Ready? Good job. I'd like to challenge all of you today to complete one random act of kindness. That means no one needs to know that you did this act of kindness. It can be in secret or it can be for a friend. It can be on the playground. It can be in your home. It can be for the person sitting next to you in class. But please think of one nice thing you can do for someone else today. Trailblazers, have an awesome day.